Okay, we are now into our last example. So in this example, we are no longer discuss about points, but now you are given an equation. So the first one here, you are given a Cartesian equation or rectangular. Cartesian also known as a rectangular. The same term, the same meaning, but with a different term. So here you have a Cartesian, you want to convert into polar. So I'm expecting that you are no longer using x and y. You are going to use r theta here. And for the second question, basically you have the r and theta. We want to convert everything into Cartesian, which is I'm expecting everything must be in terms of x and y. So let's go for the first question, A. The question asks you to convert 2x minus with 5x cubed equals to 1 plus with x, y. So here we already know by using a formula, x is equals to r cos theta and y is equals to r sin theta. So now let us try to change all the x and y that we have into the terms of r and theta here. So you are supposed to get here 2x, I have x here. So the value of x here you can change it into r cos theta minus with 5 r cos theta power of 3 equals to 1 plus with r cos theta r sin theta, because you have y there. So here you are going to get 2r cos theta minus with 5 r power of 3 will be r cube cos cube theta plus with 1 plus with r multiplied by r, it will be r squared. So it's not plus, it's supposed to be equal sign there. So it's supposed to be equal sign. 1 plus with r squared cos theta sin theta. So you can bring everything regarding r and theta into your left hand side. So you're going to get here 2r cos theta minus with 5 r cube cos cube theta minus with r squared cos theta sin theta equals to 1. So that's the answer, because you cannot simplify it further. Okay, you just need to plug in the formula for it. Okay, for question B, let us see here on how to solve it. Alright, for question B, let's write again the question, which is you have r equals to negative 8 cos theta. And as we know that the value of x equals to r cos theta is still valid there. So in order for us to get this into x, you can see that you must have r on your right hand side here. So in order for you to make sure you have r on this part, let us multiply both sides by r. So you are supposed to get here r multiplied by r, you are going to get r power of 2 minus negative 8 r cos theta. Why we multiply by r? Because we need to make sure we are going to get this formula. So we already know that r cos theta is your x, and r square by using a formula is equals to x square plus y square. You can refer to the formula in our first video. So you are going to get here x square plus y square is equals to negative 8x. But you cannot stop here, because this one will actually trigger you into an equation of circle, where you are supposed to get here x square plus 8x plus with y square equals to 0. So here, if you look into this part, you can use what we call as completing the square to factorize it, which is you are going to get here x square plus 8x plus with 8 divided by 2. This is the formula of completing square. Power of 2 minus with 8 divided by 2 to the power of 2. You can refer back to our mathematics 1 on how to do completing square. So you are supposed to get something like this, plus with y square. So you are going to get here for the first 3 here, you can factorize it, which you are going to get here 8 divided by 2 will be 4. So you are going to get x plus with 4 power of 2 minus with 4 plus with y square equals to 0. So the value of negative 4 here, you can bring it to the other side to get x square, x plus 4 squared plus with y square equals to 4, which is, this is represent the value of a circle, is an equation of circle with radius 2, r equals to 2, and a center of negative 4 and 0. How I get this one? Basically, you can compare it with x minus h power of 2 plus with y minus k power of 2 equals to r square. This is a formula of circle, where here you have x plus 4 power of 2 plus with y minus y square, which is y minus 0 power of 2. R square is actually 2 power of 2. So the value of your r is 2. R is 2. And how you get a circle? H and K represent the value of your center. So H is negative H is equals to 4. So you can say that negative H equals to 4. So H will be equals to negative 4. So we are going to get here center is equals to negative 4. And this is minus 0. This is minus K. So minus K is equals to minus 0. So minus and minus, you can cancel it. So you can get K equals to 0. So K is 0 here. So that's why I'm going to obtain the interpretation like this. So you can try to sketch the graph later. So it will be a problem, I think. Okay, so we have finished our videos for the polar coordinates, and this is actually our last syllabus. So I will give you the question later for you to try, and if you get any question, any queries on it, just ask me using a Telegram. Okay, thank you class.